Welcome to another video. Let's jump right into number 2. So first things first, we got to line all of this up whenever we are adding decimals. So I'm going to put 2 zeros at the end of that 27 and I'm going to add straight down. I get 27.93 and we're done with that one. Make sure you have your stoplight and you are done. All right, number 3. I'm going to make sure I put one extra zero at the end of that 106 and make sure that 45.2 lines up. Again, I'm going to add straight down and I'm going to be left with 151.2. All right, number 8, don't let it trip you up. I just set it up first without the decimal in there and multiply just like normal. I'm going to get 5, then 3, then 1, and then I'm going to do the same thing, 5, and then another 13, and put a 0 there as my placeholder, and then I'm going to just add straight down. When I put that decimal back in between my 3, I am going to see that that plus 1 lets me move it back over to the left in my final answer. Number 9, I am going to do the same thing, set it up as 842 times 5. And then I'm going to do the same thing. When I put my decimal back in between my 4 and my 2 and put my decimal in front of the 5, you can see I moved to the right one time for the 84.2 and one time for the 0.5, which gives me a total of 2 places moved in my final answer, 42.10. All right, number 11 is all division. So I'm going to put that 126.8 inside of the house without the decimal. I'm going to work this just like a normal division problem, and this one is a little different because I am just going to shoot straight up with my decimal. So my decimal was originally in between the 6 and the 8, and I'm going to put it straight up, so my answer is going to be 15.85. Again, final answer, decimal goes straight up, 15.85.